How old were you when you bought your first property, and how long did it take you to have 10 properties? So the numbers are fresh because I went through it earlier on the call. So 2017, I guess I was 28. August of 2017, I bought my first property. It was a duplex. We ended 2017 with two doors. The following year, we closed on a package of 13 properties in December. So in 2018, we ended the year with 21 doors. 2019, we ended the year with 38 doors. 2020, we ended the year with either 80 or 84 doors. 2021, we ended with 200, and hopefully, we're going to end the year around 400. 2017, when we purchased that first duplex, we did so in cash. We bought it for $35,000, and I did that in cash, in my own cash. So before that, I got my first job in law enforcement when I was 21. I used the police academy as elective credits to finish out my undergrad. So I was a college kid getting a full-time job paycheck. Granted, when I was hired, I was only making like 33,000 a year. And then after I finished training, like 6 months later, I think it bumped up to like 38. And then when I left in 2017, in April 2017, I think I was making about 44 grand per year. But because I was a college kid, I saved. So from the time I was hired, I saved 50% of my paycheck per period. When I left in 2017, I had right around 100 grand saved up. So when I bought my first property in 2017, I also had like 100 grand. I surrendered all of my retirement plans, all my savings. I currently have no money in the stock market. I currently have no money in retirement. I am all in 100% real estate. I messed around with crypto for a while, and I recently cashed out all of that and put it into real estate. A real one-trick pony I am. So even though I started in those first 8 properties that we purchased, my brother and I did a lot on our own accord with our own capital. We got our private investor, I think, around our 6th or 7th property, and our first private lender was 26,000 was the loan amount of that one. And then we used a little bit of seller financing. I think on like property 8, we used some seller financing, and then that package of 13 that we closed in December was seller financed. While I was 28 when I started, a lot of people when they're starting don't necessarily have 100 grand yet. So if you look at from a frugal like money management perspective, technically I started when I was 21, which allowed me to jumpstart the real estate whenever I set my mind to it.
Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question. And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of PropStream.